Hello everyone, welcome back. Do you know even the operators works on strings? Here we will discuss which are all the operators works on string. Concatenation, we use addition symbol for that. Repetition, multiplication. Relational operator also works on the string. Membership operator in and not in. And then identity operator is and is not also works on the string. Even we have slicing in the string. In this class, except slicing, we will see all other operators, how it works on the string. I will demonstrate everything directly on the Python window. Let us open Python window. I initiate st1 as word there, and then st2 as power. Now arithmetic operator plus, I will give st1 plus st2, that means it will concatenate both the word and display together. Note there is no space in between the words, just it will display nearby. Now let me have st1 multiplied by 3. So this will replicate word 3 times. In membership operator, we will check whether the substring is available in the string, and then if it is available it will return true, otherwise it will return false. So now I am giving here enter in international. So enter is available there, so it will be returning true here. Now I am giving word in international, so it is not available, it will be giving false. We will also check not in enter, not in international. See, it is available, so it should be saying now false. Now let us check power. Not in national, so it is not there, it will say true. I have s1 is equal to Windows here, then s2 as, let me give paper. Now I can check with this relational operator. When s1 is equal to, I give s2, it is false as both the ASCII value of the starting letter is different, so it is false. Now if I give s1 is greater than s2, see here s2 starts with p, so its ASCII value is lesser than w's, so this will be true. Now let me give win is greater than s1. See here, win is the starting part of s1, that is Windows, right? But Windows has more than this win, so win cannot be greater than s1, so this will be false. Now I have here windmill is greater than Windows, that is s1 I will give. Here WIND is common in both, the next letter it will be checking. So O has more ASCII value than M. So S1 is having greater value here than windmills M. So this will be false. Now let me have paper is equal to S2. See, S2 is also paper. So both are having the same spelling. It is true. Similar way it works with greater than or equal to and lesser than or equal to. Let us have some example for that. Laptop is greater than or equal to lap. So this will be true as laptop is having more characters than this lap, which is the starting of laptop. Now let me give learn is greater than computer. See here, L is having greater ASCII value than the C. Let me give greater than or equal to. So this will be true. Now I give programming is lesser than or equal to online. P's ASCII value is 1 greater than O. So this will be false. Now I give YouTube is not equal to U. It is true. Now is and is not, that is identity operator. Now let me check. U is U. This will be true. Similar way, YouTube is not YouTube. See there, here this will be true as capital Y and small y are different. So these are not same, right? So ID of these also will be different. So this will be true. Now let me give paper is S2. See, S2 is paper, so this should be true. Hope this was very simple to understand. Keep watching this channel, keep learning, keep practicing. Thank you.